Midway through most fishing seasons, I start to notice things like nuts and bolts and screws begin to loosen around my boat.
I suspect you've experienced the same thing.
Given the number of miles we tow each season and the number of hours on the water, it's expected that all those bumps and shakes and shimmies that things are going to start to loosen. That's why it's smart to carry a few tools with you. A small socket set and a set of screwdrivers, including hex heads if you have them in your boat. That way, when you run into issues, you can fix things quickly, even on the water when needed. Another option is using a product like Yamabond threadlocker to keep nuts and bolts firmly in place.
Yamabond threadlocker is a primerless thread locking agent that helps bolts, screws, and nuts from loosening due to vibration.
It's available in blue, which offers medium strength adhesive, or threadlocker red, which offers a high strength adhesive. Before using either product on your Yamaha outboard, consult your owner's manual or talk to your dealer.
When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.